Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to turn off incognito mode. As you can see, the incognito mode is turned on. To disable it, press Windows plus R to open the Run tab and type regedit and scroll down and go to HKey local machine and scroll down until you find the policies. Create a folder on our policies named Google and create a folder inside Google named Chrome, and right-click in the side and click on D32 and create a DWORD 32-bit value. Exactly this. And click off and it will be saved. Right-click on it, click Modify and change the value to 1. Now restart the device and come back again. Once that I have restarted the device, you can see that the incognito window is turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.